One thing that annoys me, I don't know if this is super big-headed of me. I don't know if I should say this because it might make me sound stupid as fuck. But a lot of the time, like, I tell people stuff. Like, people message me a question, right? Let's say, I don't know, people message me a question. They're like, oh, how to do this, how to do advertisements. And I tell them how to do advertisements, and they're like, why? Like that. And I'm like, bro, it's just like that. Just don't worry about it. Just like do that way. That's the method that works. But they're like, why? I'm like, bro, just, do you want to listen to me or not? Do you not want to listen to me? Like, I know what I'm fucking talking about. I don't know if I explained that well. Or maybe just seem like a fucking prick. But I don't mean it in a prick way. I just mean it in like, bruv, I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Listen to me. That's one thing that I do not do and I will never, ever, ever do. Like, I'm not here talking about shit that I don't know about. I'm not here talking about OnlyFans management. Like, yeah, guys, this is amazing. Like, I do e-commerce. I've done e-commerce for the past 4 years. I don't give a fuck about anything else. I don't know anything about agency. I don't know anything about copywriting. I'm shit at writing. If you're on my Telegram channel, you can see how many times I edit messages because I always spell shit wrong. I don't give a fuck about, what other industries are there? I don't care about OnlyFans. I don't care about, I don't know, what other industries are there? Sales, I'm shit at sales. I've never been good at that. I never liked that. There's so many things I'm shit at and I will never fucking say a word on. Quick interruption to this video. I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.